Okay, so we're gonna take a few florets of broccoli in a bowl, and in the meantime I am heating up my pan. I have used ghee. You can use oil if you wish to. Up next, I am gonna saute this onion until it turns golden brown. Next is I have added some garam masala, red chili powder, and some coriander powder. Okay, so up next I have added few veggies like tomatoes, broccoli, bell peppers, and I have also added an egg. Up next I'm gonna let this sit for like the next couple of minutes. And then goes in our final ingredient, which is rice. So you just need to blend it well and just let it cook for like another 5 minutes and add salt as per your taste.